Good morning, everyone. I just got in my car. I'm just about to run off to get some errands done, and I need to take my vitamins first. I need to go get my eyebrows done and get my lip threaded. Yeah, I get my lip threaded and my eyebrows threaded like every 10 days to 2 weeks usually. And then I'm gonna get a haircut. So, I actually haven't decided exactly what I want to do. I don't know if I want to let it grow and just like keep it really healthy and long, or if I want to chop. I don't know, I'm kind of over my like long flat hair. I kind of want to do something different. I still haven't made a decision, I still haven't made a decision, but I'm gonna try to before I get there. Or Karen can just help me decide because she knows what's up and she's awesome. My hairdresser. Hairdresser? Is that what you call them? Hairstylist? Hair girl. My hair goddess. That's what I'm gonna call her. I get my eyebrows done at this little place in the mall called Beauty Express, and it's amazing. I love it so much. You can even tell how messy they are right now, but they're pretty bad. And I've got like whiskers. So I gotta go get those taken care of. Oh, I gotta take my vitamins first. I've been getting Cara vitamins delivered to me for like 2 months now, and I love them. Oh, my challenge of the week is build my own hashtag. Okay, we'll try. I like how it has like little challenges and quotes every day for you, but I just take vitamin D. I think it's like a D3 vitamin and a B complex. It's got B12, B6, folic acid, and like some other good stuff that's good for your energy and hair, skin, and nails. Gonna take these and then I'm gonna get on the road because I'm gonna be late for my hair appointment if I don't leave right now. I just realized that I need to get gas. I gotta stop and get some petrol in my tank because I'm running on E. I'm in such an annoying mood today and I have no one to talk to about the vlog. Where's my husband? He's busy doing work. I am so excited right now because the High-Low is back, people. It's like one of my favorite podcasts, if not my favorite podcast, with Dolly Alderton and Pandora Sykes. Look it up if you haven't listened to it yet because it's so good. Anyway, they took a little break for like a couple months, I think, and it's their second week back, so I'm gonna listen to them on my little journey here to the mall. Okay, I shouldn't be vlogging and driving. Oh, here's the gas station. Perfect. Always walk through the Barnes & Noble because it smells so good. My favorite smell ever. Books. There it is. There she is, you guys. All done. That was so painful. I always cry a little bit. Just a little bit. The girl who did my threading today, her name was Sophie too. So that was cute. The Mecca of fall, you guys. White Barn. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So fall. Hello. So
is that one for you?
That's it.
I still think it's cute with the green plaid.
It's not terrible.
It's not the worst.
I just prefer like clear glass, but
yeah. So it is going to be $14.15 today. You saved $11.55.
Nice.
Alrighty, you have a great rest of the day.
Thank you. Got my eyebrows did, got my mustache taken care of, and it just so happened that White Barn / Bath & Body Works, I don't know the difference between these two places, but I appreciate White Barn's branding better, so I say that I shop at White Barn, not Bath & Body Works. White Barn just happened to be on my little walk on my way to get my eyebrows done, and they also just happened to be doing a sale, like half off all of their 3-wick candles. So I literally paid $12 for this huge candle that's usually $24. And it smells incredible. I'm not the biggest fan of the packaging. I mean, it is kind of cute, I guess. I just prefer like clear glass or just colored glass for candles. But anyway, it smells so good. It was worth it. And the little top says Love Fall. I thought that was cute. I just love going into White Barn and Bath & Body Works at this time of year. It's such a cozy little store. Currently in line at Starbucks. Because that basic girl life, gotta go to White Barn, get my fall candle, and then go get a pumpkin spice latte. I'm gonna get back to my podcast. I'll see you when I get to the hair salon to do my hair. I'm so excited to get a haircut. Right now, I'm like getting really excited about chopping it all off, so we'll see if she can talk me out of it. If she can't, then I might be a new person the next time. Well, not the next time you see me because I'll film in the chair, but you know what I mean. Pumpkin spice latte, decaf with almond milk, and one less pump of syrup than normal.
You still want the whipped cream on there?
Yes, I still want the whipped cream, please. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Mrs.
You too. I got my Starbucks. I got my PSL, and now I don't know where I'm going, so I need to put in my GPS. My inspo. I think I'm gonna chop it all off. So is that longer than the other picture?
Maybe a little bit, because this comes down to almost her collarbone.
I think that's what I want.
Okay.
I'm nervous but excited. Oh my gosh, I love that.
But you like some stuff going on around your face, and the rest of it pretty blunt.
Yep, Karen's the master. I trust her with my life.
Literally, hair is life.
I've got to actually capture the chop.
Okay.
I haven't told Josh or my mom or anyone. They're just gonna be like, who is she? I had like a panic moment for like half a second while you were cutting.
Just cut mine off too while we're at it. Like, we'll just take it, cut our hair off. It's so
Whoa. Now she's gonna clean it up and make this straighter.
shorter.
What do you think? I don't know. It doesn't really touch my collarbone at all. I don't think shorter. I think it's good. Yeah,
I think it looks
I really
good.
like it. I feel like I had this haircut when I was like 4.
Isn't that funny? And like the imperfectness of it is like almost what makes it cuter.
Yes,
So
that's what I love. I'm really surprised at how much I actually love it. Like I thought I would like it, but I was like, I don't know if it'll look good on me, but
yeah,
I like it a lot. I feel like you can just do no wrong.
that's true.
If I was anywhere else, I'd probably hate it.
So damn cute.
Every single person I ask is like, no, just leave it alone.
Yeah. Well, I didn't want to say that when you made mention. It's like, what? Why do you think you're in it? And then I'm like, all for it now.
We're done. I'm obsessed. Wow, okay. It's late now. It is 7:50 p.m. to be exact. And I'm just dealing with some laundry here. And that's my baby girl, Coco, on the bed. My camera battery died while I was in the hair chair. But I think we got a couple good clips of her chopping like the major part of it off, which was good. But then my camera died, so I had to film the rest on my iPhone. I straightened it a little bit, but I've still got a little bit of bend left in it, and I love it. We're about to go to this new hotel. It's called the Edwin Hotel. It's brand new. It just opened up today. So we're gonna meet my mom over there, and I think probably my brother's gonna be there, and me and Josh are going. So it should be fun. We're just gonna be there for like an hour, probably. That's the plan anyway. I just can't stop staring at my hair. I really like it. I feel like a new person. This room's an absolute mess because this room, oh hi. He's been waiting there in his towel. He just got out of the shower. Half naked husband. I'm not complaining. Alright, so this is the update on the bathroom renovation. Dun dun dun. Everything's the same except the shower has been tiled. Hallelujah. He just grouted all of this wall, and that wall. And tomorrow he's just finishing up this bit, and then it's basically done. And then he has to install the toilet, rip up all of this paper off the floor, and then just like organize the closet and put the doors back on the closet. It's all coming together very, very quickly because tomorrow this has to be, like, this is gonna be done tomorrow afternoon. So that's very exciting. My mom and I were in here helping just like paint the baseboards again, just because they had on like the wrong kind of paint or something. It needed semi-gloss. So we painted over those today. I'm just really excited for this to be done so I can get all of the stuff that is supposed to be in this closet for storage out of our bedroom, because that's annoying to have a bunch of stuff in the bedroom that doesn't belong there. So that's gonna feel really good when it's done. So excited. But yeah, tomorrow my entire day is gonna be spent organizing this house. You excited, Josh?
Yeah.
I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna vlog a lot more because I want you to like my hair.
You vlog this one?
I have not. Coco? Coco, do you like my new haircut? I think she likes it. I also think she doesn't really care. You don't care. You don't care at all. Oh my gosh, she's the sweetest thing in the whole world. Coco, you're the sweetest thing in the world. Yeah, you're the sweetest thing in the world. Come on, catch up. Ooh, very handsome. Very handsome.
Favorite what thumbnail, love?
Ah, that's the best compliment you could give me. Do I really?
You do.
I wish the weather was autumnal.
Yes. That's my wife.
I love walking on this street. This street feels like New York.
Fresh hairdo.
We've just been exploring this gorgeous new hotel. The Edwin is so beautiful. Josh, what are you doing over there? Is it comfy? That is the cutest thing ever because they're pet friendly. They have a little doggy bowl full of doggy bones.
Oh, hey!
Who's that?
Ben.
That's so funny. It is like 10 p.m. 10 p.m. Where we parked is pretty close to our favorite Indian restaurant in town. It's actually the only Indian restaurant in town because we live in Chattanooga, Tennessee, but it's really good. And so Josh called it in. We got the last order of the night. I'm really excited about it. And our friend Ben just pulled up on us.
You going to the Edwin? We were just there. Really?
What's up?
Yeah. Is Trent headed there? I think so.
He should be.
He should be there now or on his way. Okay.
We go for a walk. We go for a walk. We go for a walk. We're on a night walk. I don't know why it's so red, but anyway, our Indian food is waiting for us, and I am so excited to eat it when we get back home. It is just past 11 p.m. and I've just finished my dinner. That's definitely the latest I've eaten dinner in probably years. Anyway, still obsessed with my hair. I just look at the little knob. That is so pathetic. Oh, I still have that mess back there. This is going to be taken care of tomorrow. Don't you worry. I know it's very worrisome, but it'll be dealt with tomorrow. I have no idea how long or short this vlog is from today, so I might end it here. Me and my little nub are gonna go wash my face and get ready for bed. I'm gonna go work out with Halle Bell in the morning. We're gonna go to the gym, at 9 o'clock, and then I'm meeting my friend Dana, who I'm so excited to see. I haven't seen her in such a long time, so it'll be really good to catch up with her. We're meeting up at like noon. And apart from that, my whole day is going to be spent organizing the house. I'm going to go now. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys very soon. Good night, baby girl.